Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Optimism network to bridge ETH using HOP, full guide step by step clearly. To set up the Optimism network to bridge ETH using HOP, begin by ensuring you have a compatible wallet. MetaMask is recommended for this process. Download and install the MetaMask extension for your browser if you haven't already. Open MetaMask and create a new wallet or log in to your existing wallet. Make sure you have some Ethereum, ETH, in your wallet, as this will be needed for the transaction fees during the bridging process. Next, navigate to the official Optimism website to connect your wallet. Click on Get Started or Connect Wallet to link your MetaMask account to the Optimism network. Follow the prompts in MetaMask to confirm the connection. Now, you need to add the Optimism network to your MetaMask. Open MetaMask and click on the Network drop-down menu at the top. Select Add Network to enter the Optimism network details. Input the network name as Optimism. Use the RPC URL, https://mainnet.optimism.io. Set the chain ID to 10. For the currency symbol, enter ETH. Finally, fill in the block explorer URL with https://optimistic.etherscan.io. Click Save to add the network to your MetaMask. Go back to the Optimism interface and verify that your account is connected to the Optimism network. Now it's time to use the HOP bridge. Visit the HOP Exchange website. Once on the HOP platform, you should see the interface for bridging tokens. Select Ethereum as your asset to bridge. Next, choose Optimism as the destination network. Enter the amount of ETH you wish to bridge. Review the transaction details and make sure everything is correct. If you're satisfied, proceed by clicking the Bridge button. MetaMask will open, prompting you to confirm the transaction. Review the gas fees and click Confirm to initiate the bridge transfer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.